There's this picture of me at his cousin's birthday party, and him, his mom, and his sister are in the background of the picture.
Because we were too old to participate in the pie eating contest.
Yeah, I was doing the pie contest, so I'm eating this pie, and then there's my future husband, future mother-in-law, and future sister-in-law in the background, and it's freaky. So, but it's cool. We were hiking at Red River Gorge. He kept saying, I want Miles to go. And I was like, why can't me and you go for your birthday alone? Like, I just want to do this alone. And he was like, okay. And then he was like, all right, well, let's take the GoPro. Let's charge the GoPro. And I was like, why? We have our cell phones. Like, it's okay.
Yeah, so I was trying to do this thing with the GoPro where I could set it up or have somebody hold it for the proposal. We were at a campsite and she heard some noises and was scared to death and wanted to go home.
And it was nighttime and there was stuff falling out of the trees and stuff, and my anxiety was just really getting to me. I started crying and I was like, I want to go home, but I don't want to ruin your birthday weekend. Like, you know, we came camping for your birthday.
I said the only thing that would ruin this weekend, it was my birthday weekend, so I said the only thing that would ruin this weekend is if I didn't get to do this. So that's when I pulled the ring out.
And he proposed. And so then I was like, oh, no wonder why you wanted the GoPro with Miles.
Thank God you didn't go home.
Well, yeah, and then after he proposed, I was like, okay, I'm better, I don't want to leave.
Just think, first time I met you was when you was 4 years old.
Yeah, I was.
Look at you now.
Ooh, I was a baby.
I want to thank you for everything that you do for me. Thank you for always reminding me that I'm worth something and having my back in most things that I want to do. It was always my dream to marry a Christian woman, someone that will always point me towards Jesus.
I'm not sure how I will be able to limit the things I want to say to you because there is so much. So I'll start by saying I love you more than you'll ever know. You helped me with so much, and you have shown me how to live a better life, how to be a better person, and how important it is to put God first.
You are the one that I've been waiting for. You take my breath away. With every single step you take. My heart has always been an open door. 'Cause you're the one that I've been waiting for.
I've always been into church, but as most people, I went through a rough patch. And I got on my hands and knees and I asked God to send me an angel. I thank God every day for sending me you.
Oh, and I would wait for all my days.
Who gives this woman to be married to this man?
Her mother and I.
Nothing I won't do. If it leads me here to you.
For as long as I've known you, I know that you truly make Nadja the happiest girl in the world. I cannot tell you how many of Nadja's friends' cars he has fixed over the years, including mine. I see how happy you make my best friend and how much she loves you, and I cannot think of a better man for Nadja than you.
Point each other in the right direction and always pick each other up when you fall, and that's, what we do mainly.
He helped me see that, walk away from the drama and who cares what they think. Just worry about you and focus on bettering yourself and stuff. So I just feel like he has really matured me and showed me how to be a better person, and I can't wait to marry him.
I think she's gonna be a great mom. I'm excited for all that. And she's really on point. She's got everything planned out, so I know the future is gonna be awesome.
The reason these two, I think, were drawn together was because they each have huge hearts. They care about everyone, not themselves. and they put everyone else before them.
Casey, you may kiss your bride.
Oh, and I
Mr. and Mrs. Dragon!
there's nothing I won't do. If it leads me here.
I vow to always be there, and that no matter what you face, we face it together as a team. I vow to lift you up when you feel weak. I vow to be your rock as you are mine. I vow to continue to grow closer to God with you and be the best version of myself that I can be. We could live in a box and I would still find joy as long as you were there with me.
I vow to always pick you up when you fall. I vow to always work together through our tough times. I vow to always point you towards Jesus. And I vow to never forsake you.